Hi all, today I will show you how we can make bootable pen drive and store Kali Linux in it, and with the help of this bootable pen drive we can directly run Kali Linux in our system. And to make this pen drive bootable we need one software called Rufus and one ISO file that I have already downloaded in my system. So you can download Rufus from this site. Okay, and I have already downloaded this file here, and also you have to download here. From here you can select this one. Just have to select 64-bit according to your system and then just click on this one. That's it. And now go to Rufus and install. Now just select pen drive. Now select ISO file, click on open. Now click on start, click on OK. Just click on yes. That's now we have to wait for some time. As you can see, it is almost done. So you can see it is done now. And now we can see it is showing 100%. Now let's refresh our screen and it's available here, Kali Live. So let's reconnect our pen drive and restart our PC to continue with the live Kali Linux. Hi all, once you restart your screen you will be able to see this screen. Okay, if now I will use this live AMD 64 option to use Kali without installing it. To install Kali Linux in your system, you just have to select this graphical install and then proceed with the respective options. Now I will show you how we can just
wait for a few seconds.
So guys, you can see Kali screen available. So from here onwards we can directly open terminal and run any command, and you can see all applications available here.
Yeah, thank you.